To earn commissions from an Amazon storefront, become an Amazon associate. Sign up for the Amazon Associates program through the Amazon website. This program allows you to earn commissions by promoting Amazon products. Create your storefront. Access Amazon's Amazon Influencer program or Amazon Storefronts feature to create a customized storefront showcasing curated product selections or recommendations. Select products. Choose products within your niche or interest to feature in your storefront. Use high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and engaging content to attract potential buyers. Generate affiliate links. Obtain unique affiliate links for the products you want to promote. These links track referrals and purchases made through your storefront. Promote your storefront. Share your storefront links on your website, blogs, social media platforms, or through email marketing campaigns. Encourage your audience to visit and explore your recommended products. Drive traffic and sales. Focus on driving traffic to your Amazon storefront by creating valuable content, engaging with your audience, and optimizing your promotional strategies. Earn commissions. You will earn commissions for qualifying purchases made by customers who visit Amazon through your storefront links. Monitor performance. Use Amazon's reporting tools to track clicks, conversions, and commission earnings. Analyze this data to optimize your storefront and promotional efforts for better results.